In this video, I'm going to show you how to delegate to a DRep within the Cardano ecosystem using your Eternl wallet on your mobile device. You can follow this tutorial. It is on my website here on the Learn Cardano website. It takes you through step by step with exactly what you need to do. So if you want to follow along, links down below in the show notes. But you can easily just start the process simply by loading up the wallet and then navigating to vote and then blockchain governance. From here under new vote delegation, the drop down there, select specify DRep ID. Here you can now paste in the DRep ID of the person that you want to have your wallet delegated to. In this case, I've got my own DRep ID there. You can find multiple different DRep IDs on various Explorer websites, and I'll go through that in a moment. Now that you have your DRep ID pasted in, click on Delegate. Then you just need to put in your signing password for your wallet, click on Sign, and submit that transaction on chain. And that is it. You are completely done. You are now delegated your wallet to a particular DRep in the ecosystem. Super easy to do. Now, if you want to become a DRep yourself, you can simply go back to that vote blockchain governance section and click on Own Account. This will allow you to register yourself as a DRep, and it will cost you a $500 ADA deposit, and that is just to register your wallet. You will get that 500 ADA back if you ever decide to deregister as a DRep, and that ADA will be sent back to your wallet. The other options there you also have is abstain and no confidence. These are the default actions, especially if you don't want to delegate your wallet to anyone. Now you will need to delegate your wallet at some point in time to be able to withdraw your ADA rewards. This is for the next era of Cardano. It's trying to encourage people to be more active in the governance era of Cardano in general. Now, if you want to search for various DReps, there are some really cool sites out there that have been built, essentially DRep Explorers. This one here is 1694, created by the team of Lido Nation. They're brilliant community members creating some really cool stuff. And this is a timeline of my own DRep profile, and you can see all the various people that have already delegated their wallets to me and provided that voting power, and I'll be voting on their behalf. And you can easily grab the DRep ID from here and then set up that delegation within your Eternl wallet. Now, if you wanted to see other DReps, just click on DReps on the top and click on the DRep list. This here is a complete comprehensive list of all the DReps that have registered on chain. Now, not all of them have created profiles here, but you can see here, this one here has been claimed. If I click on this link here, you can see this one is owned by Niels, who is another prominent community member in the ecosystem, and he's set up his profile. So you can choose his DRep ID there, learn a little bit about him, what his goals, objectives are, his qualifications, and how he may vote within the ecosystem. So you can do all this really cool stuff, learn about your DReps so that you can make a better informed decision within this governance process on the ecosystem. Now, there's also other websites as well. This is one from Sea Explorer. This is more of a data based website where you can see who and what is being staked to each one of the DReps, but you can get more information from this one as well. Now, the last website that I'll mention is Gov Tools. This website isn't quite up yet at the time of this recording. It should be done in a few days, but you can also use this website to explore the various DReps in the Cardano ecosystem and also connect your various wallets, such as Lace Wallet. You can connect it here and delegate directly from the website itself. So I can't wait for this one to come out. And if you're wanting a more simpler process to delegate your wallet, if maybe you're not using Eternl, then you can wait for this one here and you'll be able to delegate at this point in time as well. So hopefully you found this video tutorial useful. If you did, please consider hitting that thumbs up, click subscribe, notification bell there as well, so you get kept up to date with all the various tutorials and everything that's happening in the Cardano ecosystem. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.